seeing both your check engine light and battery light on. Don't panic. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to test, fix, and reset both lights, in just a few minutes. And no, you don't need a mechanic. When these two warning lights appear together, it usually means one thing. Your car has an electrical issue, most likely with the battery, alternator, or wiring. If the engine is still running but the battery light is on, your alternator may not be charging the battery. And if voltage drops too low, the check engine light can turn on too. Step 1. Test the battery. Use a basic multimeter. With the engine off, a healthy battery should read between 12.4 and 12.7 volts. Now, start the engine. If the voltage doesn't rise to at least 13.7 volts, your alternator might be failing. If it goes above 15 volts, it may be overcharging, which is also a problem. Step 2. Scan for fault codes. Connect an OBD2 scanner. Look for codes like P0562, this means the system detected low voltage. After fixing the issue, tap clear codes to reset the check engine light. If the lights don't turn off, check your battery terminals, are they clean and tight? Check ground connections, are they secure? Check the alternator plug, is it properly connected? Check the serpentine belt, if it's loose or broken, your alternator won't charge. After making repairs, drive the car for a few minutes. Sometimes the system needs time to refresh. Pro tips. Always test before replacing parts. Check for manufacturer recalls or technical service bulletins. Keep battery terminals clean, even minor corrosion can trigger warning lights. If this video helped you fix your check engine and battery lights, hit that like button. Subscribe for more quick car fixes, and share this video with someone who needs it. Thanks for watching, and stay safe on the road.